Hey, is this thing on? Hey, Hoff. Hope this works. Oh my God, what I wouldn't give, my word, what I shouldn't say. And ooh, isn't she a beautiful thing? As I look up, what a pretty thing. What a pretty face. Oh, what a pretty face. I see you, where am I this place? Seems strange and out of place to me, oh yeah. Oh, what can I do? I can't begin to even make a move. I'm hypnotized, dazed and confused, oh yeah. Must be lost, oh yeah. Must be lost, uh-huh. It's just lost again, oh yeah. Must be lost. Oh my God, what I wouldn't give, my word, what I shouldn't say in big space. And ooh, isn't she a beautiful thing? As I look up, what a pretty face. Oh, look at her smile. I wanna kiss her only for a while. Insists that she will stay right here with me. Oh, what should I say? Can't take a chance to make her walk away. She's paralyzing me in every way. Now that must be lost, uh-huh. Springtime lost, oh yeah. It's just lost again, oh yeah. Must be lost. My magical mystery finger. As I look up, what a pretty face. Oh, what a pretty face. I see you, where am I this place? Seems strange and out of place to me. I'm standing but my position keeps shifting. I feel a certain stirring, must be lost, oh yeah. It's just lost again. Must be lost, oh yeah. Springtime lost, uh-huh. It's just lost again. Must be lost, must be lost, uh-huh. It's just lost again. Must be lost, must be lost, must be lost, must be lost. I hope this works. Wonder what it looks like. Oh, it looks like that. Okay. Well, we'll see. Maybe it's working, maybe it's not. And reverb on the voice. Need reverb on the voice. I know I don't have any reverb on the voice, but now I do. Ah, there you go. Bear your memory, I got intention. High tide, bull ride, lovely to mention. Spend the I know you're looking for my locomotion. Are you ready for a big explosion? I wanna know about your true devotion, baby. Bring it on over me. Cool scene of Queens on PlayStation. Hold me closely, my lovely relation. Spell all your fears, nothing's for hiding. Dreams do come true, and I'll put that in writing. Come on, I know you're looking for my locomotion. Are you ready for a big explosion? I wanna know about your true devotion, baby. Bring it all over me. Yeah, bring it all over me. Almost. Damn, almost had the whole thing. Open your mind, I know it's divisive. We will both be lovely dancers. Open your mind, I know it's divisive. Blood, there's soul and sugar and spices. Come on, I know you're looking for my locomotion. Are you ready for a big explosion? I wanna know about your true devotion, baby. Bring it on over me. Let's go, I know you're looking for my locomotion. Are you ready for a big explosion? I wanna know about your true devotion, baby. Bring it on over me. Let's go, I know you're looking for my. Are you ready for? I wanna know about your true devotion, baby. Bring it on over me. Yeah, bring it all over me. Too much effects, huh? It's only so much compression anyone should ever have to listen to. Record a little bit. No drums. I'm constantly searching for someone who matters, but no one compares to who matters the most. She let me in, give her a life that's in tatters, and sent me on a quest chasing Emily's ghost. How many times can this be the case? Someone explain it to me. Closing my eyes and kissing her face, starts the camera rolling on Emily. I'm looking for someone to offer a cure to me. Lost and confused, but I've been diagnosed. Throw me a light if you're gone, I am sure to be sentenced to searching for Emily's ghost. Yeah, for Emily's ghost. Lay your lovely hands upon my body and then cast away this down and let me love again. I'm constantly searching for someone who matters, but no one compares with who matters the most. She let me in, get her life is in tatters, and set me on a quest chasing Emily's ghost. Yeah, chasing Emily's ghost. Lay your lonely hands upon my body and then cast away this doubt. Let me love again, again. I'm constantly searching for someone who matters, but no one compares with who matters the most. She let me in gift with a life that's in tatters and set me on a quest, chasing Emily's ghost. Yeah, chasing Emily's ghost. Too much slapback, maybe? I don't know. Let's see here. We saw her for the first time in the background, leaping in full colors from those grays and browns appeared this flaming, rocking with his heart on board, and off it soared, fly again, and slowly circling she nursed a small one, shooting tiny sparks, shocking the water in his river, sending shivers to her soul. She'd found all up and down his arms and death couldn't have contained her. She possessed the gift of flying with amazement. All eyes watched her as she soared both sides. Almost. Fly girl, he became where she was an angel, and he wished that she'd come down and take him with her in the clouds, though she could drop him like a dime. He'd go anytime with fly girl, fly girl, fly girl, fly girl. Come fly with me. Come fly with me. Yep. Next time, I'm not gonna hang myself on anyone. Next time, there ain't gonna be no one like you. In time, there ain't gonna be no holes in my shell. But this time, somehow I let feelings and never again. Let luck next time. Second time ain't gonna be no match burn under my skin. Second time gonna lock up my heart so you can never win it. The first time, shame on you, but the second time, shame on me. My heart nailed up like a trophy to win. Never again. Better luck next time. I hear that run like a sad person in a comedy. Better luck next time. I don't wanna hear. Better luck next time. I can't hear her walking down my street saying, isn't it a shame? Well, I don't wanna hear him say it again. Save your consolation for the next guy. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, bad luck next time. I hear that around like a sad person in comedy. Better luck next time. I don't wanna hear. Oh, better luck next time. I hear that around like a sad person in comedy. Better luck next time. I don't wanna hear. Better luck next time. Better luck next time. Hoffner, I don't know if you're there, are you? I'm emailing you here. There. Okay. What is this feeling that just won't let me stay away? I look in your eyes and forget everything I could say. In love or infatuation, my heart is aching tonight. How do you seem to know that I'm off of my guard? You know all the tricks and you smile as you're holding my card. Inside your infatuation, my heart is aching tonight. Sing along, Steve. Only Steve was there. In love or infatuation, my heart is aching tonight. What else I got? I'm going to do another Jamie and Steve song so that I can maybe do it well on the gig. And it is Eyes Are Upon You. What's the name of the song, Steve? To Get You. I don't know what the damn name of the song is, Steve. But you know, I might do Gold Mine. Some would see love as a tangible thing, but that's not the way it is for me. For holding just things, there's a price to be paid, but I'll pay it no mind. Molding and folding and placing in line, making your ways always up. Sitting next to you is all I want to do, 'cause I found my gold mine. My gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine. Starting each day as a song I could sing, I depend on you to set my key. Every new verse is a promise that I made, every note a chance to bind. Growing and folding you inside a blue vine, lifting us both always up. Unlocking secrets hiding in you, yeah. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine. Good that it sounds good. Yeah, yeah. It'd sound better if you were here. My gold mine. Yeah, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine. I have a DI on the guitar, Steve, so. Some will see love as a tangible thing, they're missing what it could be. Things in your hands, they will always fade, not so the love in your mind. Molded and folded, repeated in line, filling the cup. Being next to you is all I want to do, yeah. I found my gold mine, yeah. My gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, my gold mine, my gold mine. I found my gold mine, gold mine. I'm using the Firebird, Steve, so maybe you can't see it, but it's not the acoustic. So yeah, and going through amplitude with a fairly decent sound, but not a great sound. There's a place on the edge of town, a secret space and a sacred ground. Minds just open, everything down. I still change, but ideas reflect the way I feel tonight. The way we feel tonight. Now in this place where nothing's wrong, beyond the crowds, but within our songs, hands are clapping together. Attention's a focus, they're smiling upon the way I feel tonight. The way we feel tonight. We fly away to imaginary cafe. Unique. We fly away to imaginary cafe. Hey. It's all okay. Dim lights and reflecting balls, smoky backgrounds, the sounds of laughter. This James Bond martini tastes to me like nothing's wasted. Just open-minded chatter finds me better, 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 better. It's all subject to what we see. Steve sees an angel, Jamie sees a clown. Nothing around to distract my brilliant delivery. These are just a few of the things that are wonderful about Steve, oh yeah, and me, as we fly away to imaginary cafe. Chuck says it looks good with this dim light. We fly away to imaginary cafe. Are we wonderful? You are wonderful. I had a Haney. It's all okay. Tell it to me now. Imaginary cafe. We gotta fly away to imaginary cafe. It's all okay in the imaginary cafe. In the imaginary cafe. In the imaginary cafe. In the imaginary cafe. We gotta. Thank you, Steve. No better crowd in the world than you, Steve. I love you more than life itself. I'll see you later. I'm going to end the show right